I'm Megan Outlet. I am a first year apprentice. I've only been here, I think, about 3.5 months now. And, just solar generally. Like, we do residentials, and we've also done some larger things, like there's a Toyota in Altona that we've done the roof of, and we've also done a few Woolworths. So far, I've actually really enjoyed the work so far. I'm doing better at it than I thought I would. The thing that's the most surprising, I think, is the sheer amount of cable tying that you do with all the cables. But no, I've found that, like, the company in general is pretty good, and, like, all the guys that I've worked with are excellent, well, like, with me. Haven't had to experience anything bad so far. I've only been here for a few months, but I'm going to be studying at Huntsland TAFE in Moorabbin. I would absolutely recommend it. You don't realise just how, like, easy it is to get into it until you're actually doing it. I kind of looked at solar while I was looking for an apprenticeship, and I went, I don't know if I want to do that. It looks a little bit, but when you actually get out there and start doing it, it's a lot better than you expect, because you're not indoors all the time. You're out in the sun. The only thing that kind of sucks is when it's raining, but you work around those times.